Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett says the establishment of a tourism supplies logistics center is being explored to continue bridging the gap in the delivery of goods to the sector. Minister Bartlett says the development of the center is necessary to respond to the rapid growth of Jamaica's tourism consumption market. Pointing to agriculture as an example, he says consumption by tourists is currently 3 times that of locals, driving the need to boost output to meet that demand.
What it will do, in addition to everything else, is to provide a new scale of employment for different skill sets. So within the special economic zone, for example, we could have these production centers that are producing, agro-processed goods, chutneys and jams and jellies and juices and nectars. We could be producing more of the beverage that the industry needs. We could be producing the furniture that the industry needs and so on. And that would then be exported to Jamaica from Jamaica, because you know that concept. And because tourism earns in foreign exchange, it will be able to pay in foreign exchange. So the producers within the free zone would be export producers, producing for Jamaica, while at the same time would provide near-shore arrangements for our colleagues in the rest of the Caribbean and other places.
He says the logistics center will also provide large-scale employment for several skill sets. He also notes that this will put a plus for the cruise sector.
In doing so, we'll be able to be attractive also to the cruise lines for home porting, so that they can have their supplies in Jamaica instead of having it in the United States or other places.
Meanwhile, Minister Bartlett says the Jamaica Tourist Board, JTB, will soon undergo a restructuring in a push to focus more on marketing intelligence gathering and industry knowledge building.
We are spending a lot of time in building out the capacity to mine and generate and analyze data. The Tourist Board is being recommissioned. In fact, we just finished the management audit on the board. And in short order, we're going to do a restructuring to focus more on intelligence gathering, market intelligence, and our ability to utilize better data for greater efficiency, to reach more markets, and to be able to measure daily the impact of our advertising spend.
The tourism minister says this will add to the recently developed innovation and risk management division of the Tourism Enhancement Fund, TEF, which deals primarily with the development and management of new ideas.
We're putting a $31 million there for young people all across Jamaica who have ideas but have no financial backing. Ideas about how do you create new tourism experiences. Ideas of what it is that you can convert into material goods that people can use. Because that's what we do in tourism. We consume everything that your mind can generate. Because we respond to the passions of people. People travel to fulfill their passions.